Hi everyone, and welcome to my new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change the video recording quality while screen recording on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Many of us use this feature to capture important moments, tutorials, or games, and the quality of the recording can significantly impact the final result. I will guide you step by step on how to easily adjust the settings to achieve a professional-looking video. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open the settings on your device. Immediately after that, scroll down, look for the Advanced Features option, and tap on it. Once you've opened Advanced Features, find the Screenshots and Screen Recordings option and tap on it. When you reach this part like I have, you need to look for the Video Quality option located in the Screen Recordings section and then tap on it. I currently don't have the option to change the video quality while screen recording is enabled. So, when you tap on the video quality option, it will open a menu with different quality settings. You will be able to choose from several options, such as 480p, 720p, 1080p, or even 4K, depending on your device's capabilities. Select the desired quality that suits you best, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon, and thank you for watching.